This is sa Naray. Pwede ko po. Business. Hi na lang talaga ang kaplastikan. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Ron. Thank you so much, Ron.
Before we're going to write a letter, this is letter. We will know first stages. Sige ka na, smile, narasan mo na lang.
Wala, ma'am.
Tapos, ay ka man na maki.
Kapamati ko, ma'am.
Pero keep their cellphone.
Okay, ma'am. Bisa ko na dyan. Paugas po pa.
Kung wala ulos inyo magsulatan, there will be no power. Okay?
Kilikili power. Kilikili power lang ara, ma'am.
Okay. Expert saying that writing should be reviewed as a process and as a product. Okay? Business, report, writing. That is your subject of Siyempre, yung subject nyo, business report writing, you have to write. Okay. Okay, writing is a process. Pre-writing. What does it mean? Pre-writing. Kita kayo pre. What is pre-writing?
Before.
Okay. In the pre-writing, ano gagawin mo? Gather and the data. Then, the writing stage, the post-writing, and the publication of your writing. Kasi sa journalism, kayo mo kasang article. Sabi pa matutong ng article, you need your data, your kung ano pa ang English ka, the writing, edit, the post writing, and the publication, ihatag mo na dito sa non-publish. So, this year ata, this semester, kasi mayara na ang publication ang Marvel. Kaya hindi sa lilong mo kauyat sa dito. Pero wala sa high school, di ba mayara ka mga newspaper na newsletter? O, wala ka kung hindi lang ita newsletter, sa ano yung Marvel. Dalante yung mas school na next, the pre-writing stage. Here, you think about your topic and gather it. Number na. Okay. And number